Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to introduce you guys to this little tiny device. This is actually a portable breathalyzer for alcohol. And I found this little unit on Temu. It was very inexpensive. I think it was somewhere around $8 Canadian, and I'll post it on the description here below. But as you guys can see, it's nice, small, portable. This is where the air comes out, by the way. This is where you blow in. And then you have a nice little screen here and one power button. And it does charge using USB-C, which is on this side here, which is great. Very, very light, doesn't weigh almost anything. So this little breathalyzer, I just wanted to do a quick review on it and see if it actually works. Okay guys, so first thing I wanted to mention is I don't normally drink alcohol. I'm just doing it for the purpose of this test to see if it actually detects anything. But we're going to do two tests. I'm going to go ahead and do the first test, which is me just breathing into it with nothing, see if I get any result from there. And then I'm going to do it once I drink the shot of brandy, which has 36% alcohol. I'm assuming that should give me some sort of result, and then we'll know if it's capturing anything or not. Okay, so we'll do the first test now and see how it goes. So for the first test, again, we're going to press, we're going to hold. And I'm just going to wait for it to count down to 15. I'm just trying to keep it away from the alcohol so it doesn't detect any of that in the air. Okay, here we go. Now it's going to start calculating, and I'm good. I got 0. So now let's do that same test again. I'm going to drink the shot and see if we get a different result. And just so you know, I think the best thing to do is usually just turn it off and then back on again, because I think it always has to recalibrate because it does take in, like I said, into account the environmental air. So we're going to do it again. All right, so here we go. Now I'm going to drink the shot quickly. And like I said, this is brandy, 36% alcohol. Okay, I did drink it. And now we're going to test it again. Doing the same thing. We're going to wait those 15 seconds. Here we go. And it does work, guys. There you go. I have it red. I just drank it. It's giving me a 0.4. So it looks like it's worth it for the $8. I mean, if you want to know whether you have a lot of alcohol in your system, or whether you know, you should be careful with driving after you drink, maybe it's a good little device to keep with you just in case. I don't know how accurate it is, but the fact that it's working and it's detecting the difference, I think it's at least something worth having in the car, especially for the price point. And it'll give you at least an indication of whether you do still have a strong odor of alcohol or not. But yeah, I think for the price point, I think it's worth keeping at least in your vehicle, just in case you do go out and drink.
A few moments later.
So that brings us to the end of this video, guys. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like, plus the bell notification so that you're alerted of any upcoming videos. And we'll catch you on the next one.